Welcome to you all to the Olympia Stadion. I'm Martin Tyler. Alan Smith is with me, the former England international, of course. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. It's Bayern Munich against Real Madrid.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Looking forward to this. I'm hoping for a nice, quick start that will set the standard here between two good teams.
Have a look at these two. Robert Lewandowski against Eden Hazard. What do you think about that, Alan?
Well, they play with their heads up, don't they? They know exactly where the opposition is and where their teammates are to make those little quick-fire passes.
Bayern Munich's lineup. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Serge Gnabry plays with Thomas Müller on the flanks. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. This is the Real Madrid lineup. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Goretzka. Joshua Kimmich. Good support running on either side. Lewandowski. In goes the cross. Well, the cross looked good, but it didn't turn out that way. Did well, stuck out the foot and cut off the pass. Toni Kroos. Sergio Ramos. Modric. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. That is a tackle and a half. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. It's good play, this. The opposition can't get at them when they're keeping the ball. Toni Kroos. And that's when you need a defender to show his class, and he's done just that. Now Benjamin Pavard. Thomas Müller. Goretzka. It's Kimmich. No offside. Ball was played over the top. Lewandowski. Turn pass. Müller. Lewandowski. No time for an extra touch after the tackle. It's out of harm's way. And the corner's given for Bayern Munich. Put the corner in the middle. The attack has fizzled out here. Goal kick. Thiago. Goretzka. It's Kimmich. Boateng. It is a team that can really hurt you with the number of passes that they play. It's good attacking play, this, from them. Wants to have a go. Just put off his accuracy by that defender's challenge.
Well, he can console himself with the fact he did get there first.
Thiago. It's Kimmich. We're looking for a couple of killer passes here from the attacking team against defenders that are really earning their money. The whole team is defending. Marcelo. Sergio Ramos. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. Here's Casemiro. Toni Kroos. Now Casemiro. Marcelo. Eden Hazard. An opportunity here. There's some space to work the ball into. Still a very good contest. Real Madrid bossing the ball, but not bossing the scoreline. One to take the lead, of course. Lewandowski. Thiago. David Alaba. Davis. That's cut out. Modric. Benzema. Now Casemiro. Karim Benzema. Thiago. Serge Gnabry. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. Another turnover in play here with that interception. Marcelo. Modric. Here's Casemiro. Modric. Benzema. Could whip it in from here. Kamra. He's got his block in and the cross doesn't get into the middle. Thiago.
Not been the most entertaining, and it's been very even as the possession stats bear out. Will we get to see some goals, a bit more excitement from here on in?
Now Gnabry. Joshua Kimmich. Goretzka. Well, they keep moving the ball here. Bayern unable to keep possession. Modric. Here's Casemiro. In towards Hazard. Into the attacking third. The build-up is patient. They'll be annoyed with the cross, but it was the goalkeeper's ball all the way. Kroos. Modric. Here's Casemiro. Benzema! In front, Real Madrid.
I don't think the second will be too far away now. A goal from Benzema, and that's flown past the keeper before really he could react.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal.
He's not the easiest of managers to work for, I know that, but these players are doing what he demanded beforehand now.
Real Madrid have the lead. Davis. Thiago. It's Kimmich. Now Gnabry. Davis. David Alaba. Serge Gnabry. Attacking now. Lewandowski at the near post of the target. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here.
È cresciuto abbastanza per passare a ciao creme. Ciao, bocconcino. Ciao, fai merenda con me? Ma dove vivi? La merenda non si fa più così. Ecco come si fa, con 2 gusti. Me la fai provare? E tu che mi dai? Un bacio. No, 2 gusti, 2 baci.
Ciao Creme 2, la crema da spalmare al gusto di nocciola e cioccolato. Meglio 2 gusti che uno solo.
Macchia. Macchia.
Arriva fuori la super candeggina.
Come detersivo non può.
Toglie le macchie, resta il pulito.
Come detersivo non può. Macchia.
No, la super candeggina con la macchia che scappa. Da oggi è anche profumata. Piacevolmente profumata.
Come detersivo non può.
Può e Nelson.
And here we go, the referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half. Marcelo. Now Casemiro. Hazard. Gives it away straight to the opposition. Goretzka. Here's Pavard. Jerome Boateng. Lewandowski. Muller. Good reading of the play, anticipating the pass. Modric. Here's Casemiro. Kroos. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Well, they've been really bursting to get on, those players on the bench, and one's going to be lucky now. Rafael Varane. Toni Kroos. Sergio Ramos. Here's Casemiro. Hazard. Eden Hazard. Toni Kroos. Now Casemiro. Slipping it through. Hazard. Bale! Well, he scored to stretch their lead. Double their advantage.
Well, he's not going to miss from there. He was concentrated, had his head down, good connection.
Well, let's take another look at the goal. Restarting at 2-0. Boateng. Goretzka. Coman. Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. Saved by the keeper. He can't hang on to the ball. No threat now. Modric. Gareth Bale. Rafael Varane. Modric. Kroos. Modric. Bale. Benzema. An opportunity here. There's some space to work the ball into. It's good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? A chance to break away now on the counter. Goretzka. Coman. Davis. Here's Kingsley Coman. That's an unforced error, really, with the pass. Casemiro can whip it in now. It's part of his game, this, to come in. Two for him today, and his team are benefiting from his sharpness in front of goal, knocking the ball into the back of the net. Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special, and he is feeling that special delight at the moment. The goal, wherever you look at it, it was very well taken.
Well, I know this manager's been working hard on the training ground on a certain shape, and boy, is it getting results out there.
I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline. Still 20 minutes to go. Thiago. Joshua Kimmich. It's Kimmich. Goretzka. Davis. Well, that will be the goalkeeper's ball as they tried to get a runner in behind the opposition's defensive line. Goretzka. Thomas Müller. Müller. Lewandowski. Müller takes the shot on. Goalkeeper got to it somehow.
Any keeper would be better at that one.
Kimmich played it in. And that ball belongs to the goalkeeper. That's an easy interception. The pass wasn't really a very thoughtful one. Bale. Bale's got them where he wants them. No real challenge to the defender from that cross. Here's Pavard. Joshua Kimmich. Müller. Thomas Müller. Well, the clock's showing 9 minutes left to play. They could get a cross in here. Goretzka. Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal. Well, that's a goal for them in defeat. It's certainly not going to change the outcome of the match.
Well, if you look back through the archives, you'll see that this player has scored quite a few from these kind of distances, and it is a knack.
Bayern Munich do get a goal just to show that there's still life in the German giants, but it's not enough life, I'm afraid, in the context of the match.
No, a bad day for them, no doubt about it.
Just a reminder, 3-1 it is now, the scoreline. Hazard. Marcelo. Now Casemiro. Benzema. They've become past masters, really, this group, and it's a joy to watch. And that's into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Not the hardest thing he'll have to do today by any means. Boateng. Now Benjamin Pavard. It's Kimmich. David Alaba. And we're hearing there will be 3 added minutes here. It's Kimmich. Thiago. Müller. Goretzka. Clever ball. What an important interception that was. And the referee brings it to a halt.